In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an iframe in WordPress using Elementor. Whether you're embedding a dynamic element like a YouTube video or other external content, incorporating an iframe can enhance your web page significantly. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First off, you'll want to navigate to the page you wish to edit in WordPress. Begin by heading over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. Look for the specific page you intend to edit and select Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows for intuitive drag and drop editing, which is perfect for this task. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This panel provides all the tools and widgets at your disposal. Now in this left-hand panel, there's a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type HTML into this search field. You'll see an HTML widget appears in the search results. This widget is what we'll use to embed our iframe. The purpose of this HTML widget is to allow you to insert custom code to enhance your web page content. It's a fantastic tool for integrating external elements right where you want them. Next, take the HTML widget you just found and drag it onto the section of your page where you'd like the iframe to display. For example, say you're adding a video to enrich your content, you can drop this widget exactly where the video should be. The drag and drop feature is exceptionally helpful, allowing you to place the widget precisely with ease. Once you've positioned the HTML widget on your page, it's time to paste your iframe code. If you're embedding content like a YouTube video, you'll need to retrieve the embed code directly from the source. YouTube, for instance, provides a share button under each video. When you click it, there's an option for embed, which generates a snippet of iframe code for you. Simply copy this snippet. With your code at hand, click into the HTML widget you placed on your page. A code field will appear inviting you to insert your iframe. Paste your copied iframe code into this field. You'll see the external content, like a video, appear on your page instantly, offering a real-time view of how it integrates with your existing content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now added an iframe to your WordPress page using Elementor. It's a straightforward method that opens up numerous possibilities for enhancing your website with rich, engaging content. This method is not just limited to videos, but can be used for various types of content that improve the user experience of your site. Remember to always preview and update your changes to make sure everything displays perfectly. With these skills in your toolkit, you're well on your way to creating dynamic web pages that visitors will find both informative and visually engaging.